Assalamu alaikum. Hello student, what's going on? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah, and I am also well. Most welcome to our online class. We have the Najmun Girls High School. I am Najmun Nahar Shova, Assistant Teacher English. So well student, today I would like to tell about effective summary. So today's topic is effective summary. Most of the students don't know how to make effective summary. So they write only para by para from this text. So today this is for this class for them. So you see this class carefully. Today how to make effective summary. At first we will know. All of you look at the board. At first we will know students will be able to identify main ideas of a given text. So your main ideas you can write from your text. Next, delete examples and data in a given text. So you must delete example extra. You don't write your data in the given text. You write down given from your text. Then next, recognize repetition in a given text. So you can recognize repetition in a given text. Then organize content logically and consciously. And must you write down organized content logically and consciously. Next, summarize original text using identified main point. So all of you know that you can summarize original text using identified main point. So you must write down from your text main point from your text. Okay, all of you, maybe you can understand. Then we will know what is summary. We will know what is summary. So you can see here I have written what is summary. Answer will be held here. A shortened or condensed version of an original text or the passage. So you write in the condensed version of an original text or the passage. So you can write original text. Okay. So next, it aims to share. You must aims to share the main ideas by the clarifying irrelevant details. So must you write down clarifying details in your text. Okay. Next, the tone of the original piece must be maintained by avoiding opinion. So you must be maintained by avoiding opinion. So you cannot write your avoiding opinion, must avoid. Okay. So next, reported speech and the present tense and used. So you can use reported speech and you must write on present tense and the used. So all of you can understand what is summary. Summary is the shortened and concise version of the original text. Otherwise aims to share one main idea and detail irrelevant in your text. And tone of the original piece must be maintained by the avoiding opinions. And the reported speech you must can write reported speech and the present tense and used. Okay, all of you, now we will know qualities of the summary. Now we will know qualities of the summary. You can see I have written for you in a copy qualities of a summary. I have written clear to someone who has not seen in the original text. So you must clear to someone who has not seen in the original text. Otherwise includes all of the author's main points, leave out the minute details. Includes all of the author's main point, leave out the minute details. Okay. And brief and concise. Brief and concise. Okay. And remember that you need to know this for summary. Don't exceed the word limit. And don't make many paragraphs. Okay. Don't make many paragraphs. Just only one and made summary from the passage. So you must write down paragraph and you can write from your text. So all of you, now we will know more qualities of a summary. Here I have written paraphrases the author's main point, no quoting and the no copying. Okay, paraphrase the author's main point. You can write no quoting and no copying. You want to be avoid plagiarism. So you want to be avoid plagiarism. Okay. Then effective summary, objective, so no opinions or the reaction. So effective summary, objective or no opinions or no reaction. Keep the same meaning of the original. So you can write same way meaning of the original. Avoid the meaning summary. Don't use abbreviation in the summary. Okay, all of you, the same meaning you can write the original text from your text and your passage. Okay, next, then we will know 5 steps of the writing of a summary. So we will know 5 steps for a effective summary. Here I have written for you, you read original text until you understand it. So you must read properly at your in your passage original text until you understand it. So you again and again you can read, okay, properly and take notes from the passage. So you can write and you can note from the passage. And identify author's most important point. You must identify author's most important point. Then you write summary, okay? And write your summary from your notes and you can help from this passage. So you can help from this passage. And next, check your summary against the original and make sure you can different word, different point, but no change original point. So check out of the summary against the original and make sure you can different word and different point, but no change original point. Okay, another step has another step, revise and edit your summary from your errors. Last stage you will be held, then you revise and edit your summary for your errors such as grammar, spelling, question mark, capitalization, handwriting, etc. So you can revise last time. Okay, finally we can say we write down complete sentences, not phrases. So okay, maybe you can understand 5 steps. Then you at first if you write this 5 steps, you can write at your copy, and then after seeing this class you can read properly. Okay, 5 steps, it is very important for your effective summary. Okay, then paragraph structure. You can write paragraph structure, okay, according to paragraph structure. Now we will know this. The topic 1 number has given, so 1 number para. The topic sentences should state the source information and the author's main ideas and thesis. Then the supporting sentences should state the author's main point in the same order. And lastly, the concluding sentences should give the author's conclusion. Okay, so paragraph structure, you can remember this properly, this for this. Okay, the topic sentences should state the source information and the author main idea and thesis. The supporting sentences should state the author's main point in the same order. Lastly, the concluding sentences should give the author's conclusion. Okay, all of you. Now we will know reporting verbs and transition. So it is very important for your summary. Use reporting verbs you can write for your summary, and use transitional word and the phrases to show how ideas connected, and make sure you use them with correct grammar. Okay, all of you. So example I have given and I have written here. You can see properly. Here example has given I am. So look at this. The author argues that potty training a child is one of the hardest things to do. However, once your child learns how you can say goodbye to diapers. So here argues we can say repeating verb. Here argues we can say repeating verbs. Okay, and here however, and this is transition. Okay, transition, and it is argues repeating verb and however transition. Okay, so all of you maybe you can understand properly, so you must remember that this properly. Okay, and you can write also at your home. You can properly see this class. Okay, so student, finally we can say that you used the following text carefully and write the summary of it, and not more than 120 words, and as far as possible. So in your one words you can write in at your text. Otherwise your summary must be in the continuous and prose and in the paragraph. Okay, so if you this limit and is exceeded, is you can limitation in your point. Okay, only and the first 120 points, 20 words of your answer will be read and the answer assisted. Okay, all of you, maybe you can understand today's lesson. You can try to understand for today's class. So up to this today, so all of you today finally we can say you are well and safe. You don't go outside. You stay safe, you stay healthy also, and see you again next class, and take care all of you. Allah Hafiz.